Hi everyone, Mike back with your monthly technology tip. At the time of this recording, we are right in the middle of National Cybersecurity Month. However, by the time you're watching this, Cybersecurity Month may be a distant memory. However, cybersecurity needs to be part of your everyday routine. Not only when you're using your computer at work, you always need to have your guard up. We just learned about a new cyber scam targeting everyone. Yes, this is not just a business cybersecurity concern. This is a scam that impacts everyone. Have you ever heard of pig butchering?
Is the romance scam.
Yeah, you know,
it's called pig butchering. You fatten up the pig butchering
before you then
known as pig butchering or pig slaughtering.
Pig butchering is the process of fattening a pig for slaughter. Cyber criminals are using fattening the pig to create a sense of connection or relationship using social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. These scammers build relations with their victims, gain a sense of trust, and then initiate their scams using cryptocurrencies to sucker in their victims. Be on the lookout for random chats on text or messenger applications. Scammers can mass deploy this scam to hundreds of thousands of people and only need a couple to respond. Never accept a random text or messenger request from people you don't know, or even if it's someone that you do know, challenge them with a question they will only know to ensure you're speaking to the right person. When online, always be aware of your surrounding and who and what is out there. My name is Mike, and we hope you enjoy these monthly tech tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have a technology thorn poking at your side, give us a call or visit our website and chat with our live chat team. All the links are in the description below. See ya next month.